Hi guys, Bobby D here from BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. So welcome to my very short video on how you can make money in a couple of minutes. This is perfect if you're somebody who posts on forums, on groups, on Facebook, and it's a super easy way to make money using a URL shortener. Now the website is shorty.st. There's a link below, just hit that. All you need to do is go to join, put your email and password in there. I've already joined, obviously, so let me just type in my login, and this is super easy to use. Once you're in, which I am now, all you're going to do is put in your URL of a site that you want to advertise. So you can use it as a forum signature, you can post it onto forums, whatever you want. So as an example, I'm just going to use my site, BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. Paste it into this box here and you hit shorten. So this is my shortened copy. And this is what it does. It basically, with your copied link, you will use that link and you'll paste it as many places as you can. And you'll notice it doesn't say Bobby D Online Marketing anymore, it says cst.com. So when you hit enter, what it basically does is bring somebody to an advert before going to your site. And you wait 5 seconds and then do skip this ad, and then it takes you to the site that you want. So it's giving people options to sign up to an offer, and I think it's really good. And the more people you sign up, the more money you get paid. So that one there, so we'll go to my account. I've literally just set this up. So I've made 0.24, and that was with 2 website visits. So yeah, it might take a little while to build your money up, but it's free money. And if you are posting all the time, this is a great way, particularly if you're posting, if you're a gamer or a big website, post that as many places as you get. Everyone that clicks on it, you're going to make money. That is my 2-minute method on making simple money, guys. This is ideal if you're a teenager, if you're a forum writer, if you're a blogger. Post whatever link you want and get paid. It gets no easier. I'm Bobby D, guys from Bobby D Online Marketing. Please make sure you subscribe, watch my channel for more tips and tricks, and I'll catch you soon.